we need to look at this new video pipeline. The full JSON file is in the description right now, but watch this first.
You know how brutal it is spending 6 hours trying to get character consistency? You finally get the face right and the background completely melts. It's a massive time sink.
Everyone else is burning through monthly credits on standard text-to-video tools and getting glitchy results. So I spent the entire night tearing this apart.
There is an undocumented node setup in ComfyUI that locks in temporal consistency. It literally cuts rendering time in half. Here is the secret.
Instead of prompting frame by frame and hoping the AI guesses right, you feed it a depth map pulled directly from a base video.
And then you lock the seed across the entire batch. The AI stops guessing the geometry and starts perfectly tracking it.
Ready for the future? Follow for more.